Cowboy Ted's Healthy Lifestyle Series. Billy the Bull. Step 5. Be kind to animals. By Cowboy Ted Hallisey, illustrated by Craig Hayes. Billy the Bull lives on a farm with lots of other animals. Billy knows it is very important to be kind to animals. Nicholas is the little boy that lives on the farm. Billy the Bull knows that Nicholas will always be kind to animals. Nicholas is kind to the chickens. He feeds and waters them every day. For his hard work and kindness, the hens allow him to collect eggs for breakfast. Grandpa and Cousin Daniel come to visit the farm. Grandpa was raised on a farm, and he knows we must always be kind to animals. Nicholas always finds time to spend with Billy the Bull. He makes certain to include Daniel in all his daily activities. Daniel forgets about Grandpa's rule to be kind to animals. He pours a bucket of water on the little kitten. The next day, Daniel went to help Nicholas gather the eggs, but he chased the chickens and dropped some of the eggs. Daniel still needs to learn to be kind to animals. Billy the Bull and Nicholas catch Daniel pulling the tail of the cow and chasing the calf. This makes Billy the Bull very sad. Something has to be done to help remind Daniel. Billy the Bull nudges Daniel from behind to remind Daniel that he must always be kind to animals. Now Daniel has learned to be kind to animals. Nicholas lets Daniel play with a puppy while he visits the farm. Daniel loves the puppy and realizes he must love and be kind to all animals. When Grandpa and Daniel leave the farm, Nicholas gives Daniel the puppy to take home and love as his own pet. Daniel now knows firsthand that it is very important to be kind to animals.